Hi guys, this is the reading of our water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, tignan na natin. Maybe I hang around here a little more than I should. We both know I got somewhere else to go. Oh, naulinigan ko yan guys. Naulinigan ko yung kanta eh. I love you. I honestly love you. Ay, kakakilig naman. Sino kaya yung nakakadanas naman? Okay, tignan na natin kung ano meron sa ating mga water sign. Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces. Uy, baka related yung kanta ko kanina. Naririnig ko yun sa isip ko eh. Diba? I honestly love you. May loyal, may faithful akong napipil. Sino kaya? Si water sign ba or yung kadil nila na person? Wow, kakakilig naman, 'di ba? Mapapasana all ka talaga, 'di ba? Yung ganun, 'di ba? Wow, the hangman. Oh my gosh! Ay, kinilabutan naman ako. Ano ba yan, water sign? Yeah, there is a awakening. Some of you is a healer. Okay, some of you is a working mom. There is a soul contract here. Yeah, you may be a highly intuitive, highly vibrational person, konektado kay universe. Okay, makapangyarihan. Diba? Okay. Or po pwede naman yung person na kadil ninyo, water sign, Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces. Andito yung ating the hangman, surrender, to brought a new idea. Then the two of cups, this is a soulmate card. Wow. Ten of Pentacles, wow. Wow, merong mangyayaring event which is merong magse-celebrate ng kanilang financial stability. Okay? Andito yung success, abundance, wealth. Wow! 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 Claim it, just claim it. Then I have here the Ten of Wands, the completion of the cycle of the problem. Okay? Kung hindi man problem, pwedeng pag-ibig, ganyan, completion of cycle. Andito yung the strength card, na-realize mo na talaga na malakas ka. You're a healer, you're a working mom also. You're a healer, working mom, ano pa. Wow, konektado ka talaga. Andito na yung the awakening mo, na-realize mo na talaga. Okay? Kung ano yung mga ability mo, water sign. Bravo. Ang ganda ng reading. I love you. I honestly love you. Oh! Bumabanat si madam ng kanta, oh. Huwag kayo magulo. Maganda yun. Diba konektado yung nakanta ko? Pero inyo lumabas dun. Oh my gosh. Ay, kinilabutan ako di. 3 of Cups, 5 of Wands. Okay. Huwag mong pinagpapapansin tong mga nagpapababa sa'yo. May crab mentality dito. Okay. May competition. Hayaan mo na to. May rivalry, may kaaway ka. Oh. Hayaan mo na siya. Give it to universe. Okay. Bahala na yung karma sa kanya. Okay. Bahala na si universe. What goes around comes around. And then nandito yung celebration. Oh my God. May magko-collab. Mayroong mag-i-invite, oy, collab tayo, kanta tayong dalawa, oy, magulaan tayong dalawa. My gosh. Tapos nandito yung the emperor, dito yung leadership. Yeah, this is a father figure. Yeah. Inayos na ni universe yung iyong alignment. Or inaayos na niya. Okay, just give it to him with the judgment card, okay? Just give it to him, and then surrender with the hangman. Okay, surrender, sacrifice. Yeah. Ang ganda ng reading mo. Grabe, grabe. I love you. I honestly love you. Mag-ingat kayong lahat. At God bless po sa lahat. And good luck. Bye-bye. I'm happy for your reading.